Hello, and welcome. In today's class, we will learn about demonstrative pronouns. What are they, and when do we use them? Are you ready? Let's go. So, in fact, there are two categories of demonstrative pronouns. Number one, near in distance or time. The singular pronoun, this. We use it to point at an object, one object, in a near distance or time. For example, this is an apple. Or, this is a car. Number two, plural pronoun, these. We use it to point at two or more objects, many objects, in a near distance or time. For example, these are apples.
Yummy.
Or, these are my friends. Number two, far in distance or time. The singular pronoun, that. We use it to point at an object, one object, in a far distance or time. For example, that is a car. Number two, that is a man. Plural pronoun, those. We use it to point at two or more objects, many objects, in a far distance or time. For example, those are friends. Or, those are chickens. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.